Welcome! In this video, we will introduce the MT5 software for copying trades from Telegram channels to the MetaTrader 5 platform automatically and instantly. If you are subscribed to one or multiple Telegram channels, the software monitors them throughout the day. As soon as any trade is posted, it is executed immediately on MetaTrader 5 without any manual intervention. This ensures that you never miss any trading signal, with trades executing at the same prices provided in the channel. After purchasing the software, you will receive an activation email through which you can download the program. The program will appear like this. Simply double-click on it, then follow the installation steps as usual. Next, then finish. After installation, you will find two icons on your desktop. The first, MT5 to run the program, and the second, MT5 settings to open the program settings. We will double-click on MT5 settings to open the settings. On the first launch, the Telegram API settings window will appear. To add the API ID and API hash, we need to create them from the Telegram website. We will follow the instructions provided within the program. After that, we will click on the Save and Continue button. First, we will click on the openmy.telegram.org button. The page will open like this. We will enter our phone number here, including the country code exactly as shown in Telegram. Then, click Next. A confirmation code will be sent to Telegram. We will copy this code and paste it into the confirmation code field. Then, click Sign In. After that, we will click on the first option, which is API Development Tools. The Create New Application page will appear. All we need to do is enter any name in the app title and short name fields, using lowercase letters only and without symbols. In the platform field, you can select any option. After that, click on Create Application. The App API ID and App API hash will appear. We will copy them and add them to the settings, then click on Save and Continue. Then click OK. After that, the Enter Your Username field will appear. We will enter the username that was sent in the activation email. Then click Submit. After that, the settings will open like this. The program includes many settings that cover all aspects. In the Trading Settings section, under General Options, we have the following options. Option 1. Enable Close All Positions message. If the channel owner usually sends a message to close all open trades, enable this option. Option 2. Disable Take Profit to use Trailing Stop. When enabled, the Take Profit in the trade message will be ignored. The trade will be opened without a target, relying only on the trailing stop. Make sure the trailing stop is already enabled. Option 3. Prevent duplicate trades on same symbol. When enabled, the system will prevent opening a new trade on a symbol that already has an open position. For example, if there is an open trade on gold, no additional trade on gold will be executed. Option 4. Execute trades without SL and TP. When enabled, trades will be executed even if the message does not include stop loss or take profit. For example, a message like Buy Gold will still open a trade without SL or TP. Use this option carefully. Option 5. Enable Partial Position. When enabled, if the trade reaches 50% of its target, half of the position will be closed to secure profits. Option 6. Automatically closes opposite trades before opening a new one. When enabled, if there is a buy trade open and a sell signal is received, the buy trade will be closed immediately and the sell trade will be opened, and vice versa. Option 7. Enable Forward and Reply Message Detect. If signals are sent as forwarded messages or replies, enable this option. If signals are sent directly, you do not need to enable it. Option 8. Disable opposite trades. When enabled, opposite trades will not be executed if there is already an open trade on the same symbol. And Option 9. Disable trading on Friday. When enabled, no trades will be executed on Fridays.
In the lot size and risk management section, we have the following options. Option 1. Fixed lot size. This option is used if you want all trades to be executed with a fixed lot size. Simply enter the lot value that will be used for every trade. Option 2. Safe lot size. Here, you can set a backup lot size for safety. If any issue occurs while calculating the lot based on the risk percentage, this value will be used as a fallback. Option 3. Risk percent. If you want the lot size of each trade to be determined based on risk percentage, you can use this option. For example, if you enter 1, the risk will be 1% per trade. If you enter 2, the risk will be 2% per trade. The lot size will be calculated dynamically based on this risk percentage. Note, the fixed lot size option must be empty for the risk percent option to work properly.
In the Adjustment Settings section, we have additional configurations. Option 1. Fixed SL in PIP. This option allows you to set a fixed stop loss for every trade in pips. For example, if you enter 20, the stop loss will always be 20 pips for each trade. Option 2. Fixed TP in PIP. This option allows you to set a fixed take profit for every trade in pips. For example, if you enter 20, the take profit will always be 20 pips for each trade. Option 3. Loss Adjust. This option allows you to adjust the stop loss before the trade is executed. For example, if you enter 10, the stop loss will be increased by 10 pips from the value in the trade message. If you enter -10, it will be reduced by 10 pips. Option 4. Profit Adjust. This option allows you to adjust the take profit before the trade is executed. For example, if you enter 10, the take profit will be increased by 10 pips from the value in the trade message. If you enter -10, it will be reduced by 10 pips. Option 5. Max Open Trades. This option sets the maximum number of trades that can be open at the same time. For example, if you enter 3, only 3 trades can be open simultaneously. Option 6. Max Daily Trades. This option sets the maximum number of trades per day. Once this limit is reached, the program will stop executing trades for the rest of the day and resume the next day. For example, if you enter 5, the maximum will be 5 trades per day. Option 7. Max Daily Loss in Percentage. This option allows you to set the maximum daily loss as a percentage. If this limit is reached, the program will stop trading until the next day. For example, if you enter 0.5, the maximum daily loss will be 0.5%. Option 8. Minimum Balance to Stop Trading. This option sets the minimum account balance required to open new trades. For example, if you enter 2,000 and the balance drops below this value, no new trades will be executed. You can disable any option by leaving it empty. Now, we will select and test these settings and demonstrate how each option works in this video. The second tab in the settings is Telegram Settings. This section includes Telegram settings, session management, channel selection, and Telegram channel analysis. When you open it, you will find at the top the Telegram API Credentials section. In this section, the API ID and API hash are displayed, along with a Change Credentials button, which is used to update the API ID and API hash. The second button is Start New Session, which is used to create a new session with your Telegram account that contains the channels you want the program to monitor. Click on Start New Session. You will be asked to enter your phone number, enter it with the country code exactly as shown in your Telegram account. Then click OK. You will then be asked to enter the code sent to your Telegram. Copy the code, return to the program, paste it into the confirmation field, and click OK. Your session will now be successfully created. Next, we will find a button called Get Channel IDs. When you click it, all the channels you are subscribed to will appear. Select the channels you want the program to monitor, then click Add Selected. It is very important to click Save Settings after making any changes. After that, we have the Analyze Channel button. This is a very advanced feature that allows you to analyze any Telegram channel that provides trading signals and get a full report about it. You can see the number of trades posted within a specific period, such as a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or since the channel was created. You can also view the success rate, the number of winning and losing trades, and the number of edited messages after they were posted, which helps you evaluate the channel's credibility. Click on this button. The Analyzer interface will open. On the left side, you will find previously generated reports, and at the bottom there is a refresh button. On the right side, there is the Channel option, where you can select the channel you want to analyze. First, click Load to display the channels. After selecting the channel, choose the analysis period from the Period option, such as a day, a week, a month, 3 months, the last year, or since the channel was created. Then click Start Analysis, and the program will begin analyzing the channel and display a comprehensive report. Now let's send a trade in the Telegram channel and run the analysis again. As you can see, the total messages are 1, the number of trades is 1, and it resulted in a loss. This is because the price hit the stop loss first. A full report is generated. Let's send another trade in the channel, then run the analysis again. As you can see, the trade is still open. Also, the number of edited messages is 0, which indicates how often messages are modified after being posted. Now let's edit the message and run the analysis again. As you can see, an edited message has been detected and the trade is still open. Now let's modify the trade message and lower the take profit price, then run the analysis again to see that the trade now appears in the report as a winning trade. Using the Open Debug button, you can view all the channel data. If there are any unknown trades, you can identify the exact reason and get more detailed information about each trade, such as when the target was reached, the timing, and how many candles it took to hit the target. You can completely delete a report by left-clicking on it, then clicking on Delete Selected at the bottom left. Now let's move on to a real practical test, where we will search for Forex Telegram channels that post live signals, then analyze and test them in a real scenario. As we can see, this is a comprehensive report for the channel. Notice that the trade message edit rate is 100%, which means the channel edits every trade message after posting it. This is a concerning indicator. We can also see unknown trades, which indicates that there are issues. We can click on Open Debug to identify the exact reason and view detailed information about these unknown trades. Here, we can see that the trade was a buy, but the take profit value was completely unrealistic. This is likely a typo from the channel owner, but the tool classified the trade as unknown. In general, unknown trades may occur due to unrealistic take profit or stop loss values relative to the entry price at the time the message was sent, or for other reasons that are explained in the debug section. Let's analyze another channel and review its results as well. This is the full analysis result of the second channel. You will also notice that the trade message edit rate is 100%. It also shows the number of winning and losing trades, along with all the channel details. In the fixed SL and fixed TP fields, you can set the stop loss and take profit in pips, which will be used if the trade message does not include a stop loss or take profit. For example, if you enter 10, it will be set to 10 pips. In the third tab, Advanced Settings, there are additional advanced configurations. Option 1, Maximum Slippage. This option allows you to enable slippage protection by setting the maximum allowed difference between the entry price in the trade message and the current market price. For example, if you enter 10, the trade will not be executed if the difference exceeds 10 pips. Option 2, Single Mode Symbol. If the signal channel operates on a single symbol and does not include the symbol name in the trade message, such as Buy Now or Sell Now, you can specify the symbol here, such as URUSD, Gold, or any other symbol. Option 3, Trailing Stop. This is the trailing stop loss setting. For example, if you enter 20, once the trade gains 20 pips, the stop loss will move to the entry point, and it will continue to move with each additional pip gained. Option 4, Break-Even Percentage. This option moves the stop loss to the break-even point when the trade reaches a certain percentage of profit. For example, if you enter 50, the stop loss will move to break-even when the trade reaches 50% of its target. Option 6, Exclude Symbols. Here you can specify symbols that you want to exclude from trading. For example, if you enter USDJPY, no trades will be executed on this symbol. You can enter multiple symbols separated by a dash or a comma. Option 7, Allowed Symbols. Here you can only specify the symbols that are allowed for trading. The program will execute trades only for the symbols listed here. Option 8, Close Message Words. You can define specific words used by the channel to indicate closing trades. Option 8, Ignore Close Message Words. Here, you can define words that, if present in a close message, will prevent the program from closing trades. For example, if the message says, "Close now but keep the first trade," adding the word "keep" will prevent the trades from being closed. Option 9, Maximum TP Levels. This option allows you to define how many take profit levels to execute. By default, if a message includes TP1, TP2, and TP3, only TP1 is executed. If you set this value to 3, the program will execute trades for TP1, TP2, and TP3. For the settings Buy Orders Words, Sell Orders Words, TP Words, SL Words, and Entry Price Word, you can add alternative keywords if the signals are written in a different format or language, separated by a dash or a comma. For the Secure Trades Words setting, you can define keywords that, when received, will move the stop loss to break even for open trades, such as secure or break even. You can add multiple words separated by a dash or a comma. You can disable any setting by leaving it empty. Finally, MetaTrader path configuration is used if you have multiple MetaTrader installations on your computer, allowing you to select the MT64.exe file for the specific instance you want to use. The last tab is Trading Filters, which is used to apply technical indicators to filter trades before execution. Option 1, Analysis Timeframe. Here, you can select the time frame used to calculate the other technical indicators, ranging from 1 minute up to 1 day. Option 2, Trend Filter. When enabled, trades will be filtered to align with the overall market trend. For example, if a buy trade is received while the price is below the SMA 200, indicating a downtrend, the trade will be rejected. Similarly, for sell trades, if the price is above the SMA 200, indicating an uptrend, the trade will be rejected. Option 3, Trend Strength Filter, ADX. When enabled, trades will only be executed if the market shows strong trending conditions. If the market is ranging or weak, trades will be filtered out. The default ADX value is 25, and you can adjust it as needed. Option 4. Momentum Filter, RSI. When enabled, trades will be filtered based on overbought and oversold conditions using the RSI indicator. For example, a buy trade will only be executed if RSI is below 30, oversold. A sell trade will only be executed if RSI is above 70, overbought. You can adjust the 30 and 70 levels as needed. Option 5. Volatility Filter, ATR. When enabled, trades will be filtered based on market volatility. The current ATR value is compared with its average over a selected period to ensure that the market has sufficient movement before executing trades. You can adjust the parameters as needed. Option 6. Multi-Timeframe Confirmation, SMA 200. This option allows you to filter trades based on trend alignment across multiple timeframes. You can select the timeframes to be used for confirmation. Option 7. Breakout Confirmation. When enabled, trades will only be executed if the price breaks a support level for sell trades or a resistance level for buy trades. You can adjust the number of candles used to determine support and resistance levels. The default is 20. After configuring the settings, click on Save Settings. You can start the program directly using the Run button at the bottom. If the program is already running and you make changes, after clicking Save Settings, you need to click Restart to apply the changes. This is the program interface. In this video, we will test all features and settings. Now, we will send a trade to the Telegram channel and see what happens with the filters we applied. We will notice that the trade was rejected because USD/JPY is included in the excluded symbols. Let's try another trade on a different symbol, such as URUSD. We will see that it was rejected because it is a sell trade while the price is above the SMA 200, indicating an uptrend. Now, let's try a buy trade on URUSD. We will notice that it was also rejected because the ADX value is below 25. So now we will disable these filters to continue testing, and later we will test each filter individually. Now we will send a trade to the Telegram channel. Buy EURUSD. We will notice that the trade is executed instantly without any delay. As you can see, the trade was opened without a take profit. However, if we send another message containing only the take profit, it will be updated quickly. Now, let's try sending a sell trade on EURUSD. We will notice that the buy trade is closed immediately and the sell trade is executed very quickly. This is because the automatically closes opposite trades before opening a new one option is enabled. This means that if there is an open buy trade and a sell signal is received, the buy trade will be closed and the sell trade will be opened, and vice versa. Now we will disable this option along with some other options to test more effectively. After that, we will enable each option one by one and test it. As mentioned earlier, if the program is running and we make any changes, we need to click Save Settings and then Restart. Now let's send a sell trade. As you can see, there are now 2 open sell trades with take profit only. Let's send a message that includes only the stop loss. As shown, the stop loss is updated instantly for both trades. Now let's test sell limit, sell stop, buy limit, and buy stop orders to ensure the program works correctly with pending trades. Next, let's open the settings and test the available options one by one. We will start by testing these settings. Now we will send a trade to the Telegram channel. We will notice that the trade was blocked because today is Friday due to the Disable Trading on Friday option being enabled. So we will open the settings, disable this option, and restart the program. Then we will send the trade again. We will notice that it is executed without a take profit and relies only on the trailing stop. This is because disabled take profit to use trailing stop is enabled, which ignores the take profit in the trade message. Make sure trailing stop is enabled in advanced settings. Now we will disable this option and restart the program. Next, we will send a close message in the Telegram channel. All open trades will be closed. We will send a gold trade with take profit only, then send another message with stop loss only. We will notice that the stop loss is updated instantly. Now, let's send a buy trade while a sell trade is already open. We will notice that the trade is blocked because Disable Opposite Trades is enabled. We will disable this option and restart the program. Then send another trade. We will notice that it is still blocked because Prevent Duplicate Trades on Same Symbol is enabled. This option prevents opening any new trade on a symbol that already has an open position, regardless of direction. We will disable this option and restart the program. Now we will send a sell trade. It will be executed normally. Next, we will send a buy trade. We will notice that all sell trades are closed and only the buy trade is executed. This is because automatically closes opposite trades before opening a new one is enabled. We will disable this option and restart the program. Now let's try sending an opposite trade and we will see that it gets executed without any issues. Now let's send a buy gold message without stop loss or take profit. We will notice that the trade is executed because the Execute Trades without SL and TP option is enabled. Now we will disable this option and restart the program. We will send a Close All Trades message and we will see that all trades are closed. Next, we will send a sell trade on gold and we will notice that it is executed quickly. Now let's try again to send a buy gold message without stop loss or take profit. We will notice that it is not executed because we disabled that option. Now we will send a buy trade with take profit and it will be executed instantly. Now let's open the settings. We will set the fixed lot size to 0.4 and restart the program. Then we will send a new trade. We will notice that it is executed with the exact lot size we set. Now let's test the Enable Partial Position option. When the trade reaches 50% of the target, half of the position will be closed to secure profits. We will notice that half of the position is closed and at the same time the trade reaches the full target. Let's try another trade. When the trade reaches 50% of the target, 0.2 lot will be closed and the remaining half will stay open. Now we will close the current trades using the Close command. Then we will open the settings again. We will disable Fixed Lot Size and enable Risk Percent. Make sure the Fixed Lot Size field is empty and the trade must include a stop loss so the risk can be calculated. Now let's test more options and restart the program again. Now, we will send a trade to the Telegram channel. The trade is blocked because we have reached the maximum daily loss of 0.5%. This is because we set the maximum daily loss to 0.5%. So, we will open the settings, disable this option, and restart the program. Now, we will send the trade again. We will notice that before execution, the stop loss is adjusted by 10 pips and the take profit is also adjusted by 10 pips, as we set in the settings. Now, we will send a sell trade. We will notice the same behavior. The stop loss moves closer by 10 pips and the take profit moves further by 10 pips. So, negative values move levels closer and positive values move them further away. Now, we will open the settings, disable this option, and restart the program. We will send another trade. We will notice that both stop loss and take profit are set to a fixed 20 pips, and the values from the trade message are ignored. So every trade will have a fixed stop loss of 20 pips and a fixed take profit of 20 pips. This is because we set fixed SL and fixed TP to 20 pips. Now, we will open the settings and disable this option. Let's test the Max Daily Trades option. We will send 2 trades. When we try to send the third one, it will be blocked because we have reached the daily limit of 20 trades, 16 closed and 4 still open. Now, we will disable this setting and restart the program. We will send a new trade. One of the open trades has been closed. We send another trade and it gets blocked because the account balance is now 3,339, while the minimum required balance is set to 3,340. Now some trades closed in profit and the balance is above 3,340 again, so we can take new trades. After reaching 5 open trades, the program refuses to open more because the maximum number of open trades is set to 5. We will close the trades and test again by opening 5 trades. We will notice that the 6th trade is blocked. Now we will close all trades. As you can see, the balance is now below 3,340. When we send a trade, it will be blocked because of the minimum balance to stop trading setting. This means the account must have at least 3,340 to allow new trades. Now we will open the settings, disable these options, enable other settings for testing, then click Save Settings and restart the program.
Now, we will send a trade that includes an entry price. We will notice that the trade is blocked because the difference between the entry price and the current market price is greater than 10 pips, as defined in the maximum slippage setting. For the single symbol mode, we have set it to gold. Now, we will test it by sending a message without specifying any symbol, and we will see that it gets executed normally because of this setting. As mentioned earlier, this option is useful when the channel trades only one symbol, such as gold, and sends signals without mentioning the symbol name, like buy now or sell now, with only stop loss and take profit. Now, let's test the trailing stop. As configured, the trailing stop will activate at 20 pips. Once the trade reaches 20 pips in profit, the stop loss moves to the entry point and it continues to move with each additional pip. Let's open a sell trade on gold and a buy trade as well to test it faster. We will notice that once the sell trade reaches 20 pips, the stop loss moves to break even. With each additional pip, the stop loss continues to move, which is why it's called a trailing stop. Now we will open the settings, test other options, and restart the program. We will try opening a trade on Euro USD, and we will notice that it is blocked because the symbol is included in excluded symbols. Now let's test break even.
Since we set it to 50%, Once the trade reaches 50% of its target, the stop loss moves to the entry point. We will notice that as soon as the price reaches 50% of the target, the stop loss moves instantly to break even. Now, let's test multiple take-profit levels, TP1, TP2, TP3. We will send a message containing TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. We will notice that the program executes only the first 3 levels because max TP levels is set to 3. If it were set to 2, it would execute only TP1 and TP2. Now, we will open the settings, disable these options, and restart the program. If we send the same message again, we will notice that only one trade is executed on TP1, which is the default behavior. If we send a secure message, we will notice that the stop loss moves to break even for open trades that are in profit. However, for losing trades, the stop loss will not be moved. Finally, we will open the settings and test the last section in trading filters. We will start with the trend filter and restart the program.
Now, we will open the chart and add the SMA 200 indicator. We can see that the price is currently above the SMA 200, which means the trend is bullish. Let's send a sell trade to the Telegram channel. We will notice that the trade is blocked because the price is above the SMA 200 while the trade is a sell. Now, let's send a buy trade. We will see that it is executed normally without any issues. Let's open the settings, disable this filter, test other filters, and restart the program. Now, we send a trade. We will notice that it is blocked because the RSI is currently 65, and we set buy trades to be executed only when RSI is below 30, oversold. Let's add the RSI indicator to the chart. As we can see, the current RSI value is 65. Now, let's send a sell trade. We will notice that it is also blocked because RSI is 66, and we set sell trades to execute only when RSI is above 70, overbought. Now, let's open the settings and increase the ADX value to 60 for testing, and change the overbought level to 60 while keeping the oversold level unchanged, then restart the program. Now, we send a trade. We will notice that it is blocked due to the ADX filter, which indicates that the market is currently ranging and not trending strongly. Let's open the settings, disable the ADX filter, enable the ATR filter, and restart the program. Now, we send a buy trade. It will be blocked because RSI is still 66, meaning there is no oversold condition. Now, we send a sell trade. It will be executed because we set the overbought level to 60. Now, let's open the settings, disable the RSI filter, and enable the multi-timeframe confirmation filter. This filter ensures that the trend is aligned across multiple selected timeframes. We will also enable the breakout confirmation filter. This filter requires that for buy trades, the price must break a resistance level over the last 20 candles, and for sell trades, it must break a support level over the last 20 candles. You can adjust the number of candles as needed. Now, we restart the program. Finally, we send a buy trade. We will notice that it is blocked because the trend on the 30-minute time frame is bearish, below SMA 200.
In the end, you will notice that any command is executed in less than a fraction of a second, with no delay at all. To purchase the program, go to telemt5.com, where you will find a complete explanation of all the program features. Then, go to the Purchase section, or click on the Buy button at the top, and you will be redirected directly to the purchase page. The program price is $100 for lifetime access, including all future updates and technical support. Click on Purchase Now. Then, enter your email address, where you will receive the activation email with all the required details to run the program. After that, click on I am not a robot. Then, click on Make a Payment. You will see the payment details. Payment is made using USDT on the BEP20 network, so when sending USDT, make sure to select BEP20, not TRC20 or ERC20. Send the exact amount shown, which is 101.5 USDT, to the wallet address displayed under Payment Address. You can copy the address using the Copy button or via the QR code. Important: do not close the page or refresh it during the payment process. After sending the amount, click on Confirm Payment. After that, you will see a confirmation message on the same page, and at the same time, you will receive an email containing your username, the program, and all the necessary details. If you need any help, you will find a contact button on the website. Click on it to go to the contact page. Send your message anytime, and you will receive a quick response. This brings us to the end of the video. Wishing you successful trading.